What's happening?
The following message is being transmitted at the request of Logan County Emergency Management. A wildfire was burning out of control near Meridian and rapidly spreading north. All people from Highway 105 south to Forest Hill Road and from Luther Road east to Harrow Road are asked to leave their homes and evacuate to the Meridian Fire Station on Highway 105. A shelter has been established at the Meridian Fire Station on Highway 105.
Oh my gosh.
Sunny. The temperature.
I got my first fire warning. It was for Logan County. I can't believe it.